In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify theme in just 5 minutes. If you're excited about setting up your online shop but daunted by the tech, worry not. Shopify makes it easy. First, let's head over to Shopify's website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Shopify admin panel. Input your credentials, and you'll be directed to the admin dashboard, which is your control center for everything from managing orders to personalizing your site's appearance. Now let's focus on the aesthetic aspect of your store. On the admin panel, look to the left-hand side. You'll find a menu with various options. Under this menu, you'll see Sales Channels. Go ahead and click on Online Store. This takes you to where all the magic happens in terms of design. Within this area, you'll notice a section labeled Themes. Clicking on Themes will present you with a variety of choices for the layout and design of your Shopify site. As you scroll down, you'll see a selection of popular free themes displayed. This is a great starting point, as these themes are not only diverse, but budget-friendly. Take your time to browse through them. With each theme, you can preview how your store will look with just a click, giving you a glimpse of potential layout and style. Once you find a theme that resonates with the vision you have for your store, the next step is to add it to your site. Simply click on Add when you've made your choice. Instantly, your store takes on a new look. But here is where you can really make it your own. If you'd like to tweak the design more specifically to reflect your brand, click on Customize. The customization tool offers an intuitive interface, allowing you to adjust colors to match your branding, select fonts that convey your store's vibe, and modify various other visual elements to ensure a cohesive and personalized online presence. Don't worry if design isn't your forte. The process is straightforward, and changes are previewed in real time, so you can see exactly how each adjustment impacts your site's appearance. Once you're satisfied with the changes, your customized theme will be live, giving you a professional and compelling store. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically revisit and refine your site's look as your brand evolves over time. So, there you have it. Customizing your Shopify theme doesn't have to be daunting, and with just a few clicks, your store can look just the way you envisioned. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!